Let's take a quick look at astigmatism, also known as toricity or cylinder. In the real world, optical lenses that are spherical are of no practical use to us intelligent human beings. Looking through a spherical crystal ball, for example, does little to clear up what we see. Reading through spherical lenses would be next to impossible. Ideally, the optics of the eyes should be roughly aspheric, more like a satellite dish than a basketball. This allows the eyes and the dish to focus light energy onto a very fine point for best signal clarity. In most human eyes, there is a slight folding of the aspheric optics, so that there are two curves, one steep and one flatter. The steep curve bends light more than the flatter curve. The result is that an image is not projected clearly from edge to edge on a single clear plane inside the eye, but rather is smeared across or between two planes of focus. This folded optical state is called astigmatism or toricity and is neutralized by use of a cylinder lens with the opposing optical properties. Astigmatism causes blur and a constant need to focus and refocus. The muscle strain is felt behind the eyes and in the forehead. Let's see how astigmatism works. In neutral sightedness or emmetropia, the eye sees perfectly well at distance with no focusing effort at all. Focusing effort by the ciliary body pulls focus nearer to us and leaves distant objects more blurred. The focused image should always land flat on a single plane of focus. In astigmatism, there are two planes of focus, and so the image is never clear, not all at once. If one part of the image is brought into focus, the remaining portion of the image slips into blur. This process of moving focus near and far to find perfect clarity becomes tiring and continues on through the day as a continuing additional strain. People with astigmatism literally never get a break. In the classroom and at the work desk, even low to moderate levels of astigmatism will lead to ongoing nagging strain, especially when viewing high-definition targets like computer screens and text. For the child, this ongoing strain and pain leads to a dislike for near work, and can and will appear as reading and learning difficulties, headache, and other medical concerns, even emotional lability. Astigmatism is a leading cause of misdiagnosed reading and learning disorders. There is currently no requirement in the DSM-5 to assess vision function prior to diagnosing or prescribing for ADHD or learning problems. Learn more about refractive states and astigmatism at visionmechanic.net. Thanks for watching.